Hello everyone, MotoHolic here and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna travel by road to Varanasi. So let's go and revisit those memories. After I packed and loaded the luggage on the bike, I did the final check to make sure that everything is in order. Then I took the bike for a spin. I did a test drive to see that the luggage sits well and everything is in order, nothing moves around. Everything was set and ready to go. I was ready to hit the road the next day early morning. First few hours on the road flew by really fast. I only had one short break, and then I was in Jharkhand already. Going off the beaten track and enjoying the off-road capability of my Himalayan. That was a good break after monotonous highway. So guys, after being on the road for quite some time, I've entered Jharkhand, and it always amazes me when you cross state borders. The scenery is completely different, the scenery changes. I couldn't just drive by and not show you this. It's amazing. This place is beautiful. Let's see how many more state borders I get to cross today. Well, keep watching. Enjoy this, huh? After having some fun off the road, it was time to get back on the highway and clock in some more kilometers. As I said many times before, it never ceases to amaze me the contrast one sees when crossing state borders. Just a quick stop to fill the tank and move on. I still got many miles to go before I reach my destination for the day. Wherever I've been, people always pay interest to the bike. What's the engine capacity? What's the mileage? How much does it cost? Many times people ask me, what's the make of the bike? And when I show them the Royal Enfield lettering, they're surprised. What's going on, Royal Enfield? You need to step up your marketing game. How do you expect to sell Himalayan if people don't even know it exists? Anyway, more about that later in the series. Now it's time to get back on the road. Thank you, hi.
Welcome.
I was pleasantly surprised by the condition of the roads in Jharkhand. Nice surface, proper divider in the middle with some beautification, and the scenery changing dramatically. While in Bengal, I passed through green rice fields and it was all flat, as far as the eye could see. Jharkhand offered something else. The landscape changed, the hills started popping up here and there, rice fields were replaced by forests, even the soil was taking on brownish-reddish tint. There were no more familiar Bengali road signs. Even the drivers seemed to behave differently. More polite and respectful, if I may say. It really felt like a completely different country. Of course, I was still in India. There were trucks and buses from neighboring states, herds of sheep and other animals crossing the highway and creating havoc, but that's why I like this country. The combination of diversity and unity never ceases to amaze me. Do you know what other country has it? Do tell me in the comments below. I am in Bihar, another state, another experience. I have not been to Bihar by road previously, so I don't know what to expect. There were people telling me that it's one of the worst states to travel through, that the roads are horrible and people are dangerous. One of my friends told me that I will have all my belongings stolen if I travel through Bihar. I really wanted to prove him wrong, help him break this stereotype. Only 200 odd kilometers to Varanasi. I am more than 2/3 through the day's journey. Things are going very well. The Himalayan is performing great. My luggage is securely strapped in place thanks to my saddlebags. The spirits are high and I'm ready to face whatever challenges the road has to offer. Imagine you're in a car and you doze off for a bit. Then when you suddenly open your eyes you see this truck staring at you. I'd probably freak out momentarily. I guess it's a good thing I'm on the bike, innit? Otherwise I wouldn't be able to enjoy all this beautiful scenery Bihar has to offer. So guys, just entered Bihar and again everything changed. Different scenery, different people, even different driving style. Here, have a look. And to think that this morning I woke up in Bengal, I took petrol in Jharkhand, and now I'm in Bihar, and I'm only halfway through the day. There's another advantage of riding in India. You hardly have to pay any tolls. You just go right through the toll booth and avoid all the waiting in line. And here is another clear advantage of riding a motorcycle. You cut through those traffic jams like hot knife through butter. Just have a look here. Everyone is standing still while I'm moving ahead. I love it. This adds to the freedom of riding. Getting close to Varanasi now. With another massive traffic jam to the left side, I have become one of those people that I hate myself. Yes, you guessed it right. Those idiots who drive in the opposite lane. Guilty. I'm one of them now. Well, at least I have my hazard lights on and I'm driving on the shoulder. Most of the time. Getting into Varanasi now, and as you can see, the traffic is getting more intense. My Google Maps told me 55 minutes to your destination, and the distance was 17 kilometers. At the moment I said, Google, you're lying to me. There's no way 17 kilometers would take almost an hour for me. Unfortunately, Google proved me wrong. It did take almost an hour to get to my destination, thanks to this insane traffic.
This is why GPS says 46 minutes to cover 17 kilometers, man. This is why. This is hell. Absolute hell, man.
Got some relatively empty road here. Check this bridge out. It's like a double-decker. Cars on the top and trains on the bottom level. Pretty cool if you ask me. Just a few final words about Varanasi traffic. It is the worst I have seen, period. I felt like the whole India progressed over the time with road infrastructures and whatnot, but Varanasi stayed 50 years behind. In 2 days here, I've seen 2 traffic lights, but nobody paid any attention to them. Numerous roundabouts, but they don't bother to use them properly, and only a couple of flyovers. What's going on here? Modi ji, this is your home city. Get it sorted, nah?
Good morning from Varanasi, guys. The bike is fine. I'll show you the place around a little bit later, but now we're gonna go out and explore the city a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In my next episode, I'm gonna show you around Varanasi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the little notification bell icon so you get notified every time new videos come out. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave links in the description below. Ride safe and enjoy every moment of it.